Welcome to a UFO Linker production. Applying logical questions in search of the truth. Commencing education in 3, 2, 1, launch.
In early 2010, a team of geneticists in America began DNA testing on possibly the strangest looking skull ever discovered. Whilst trying to recover its nuclear DNA and matching it against the National Institute of Health database, they found a significant number of coherent base pairs that have never been seen before. This was an historic moment for science, as it proved beyond all reasonable doubt that part of the skull's DNA is not human. Since that result, the geneticists have predicted that when the final genome recovery is complete, it will provide science with the first record of alien DNA ever discovered.
In May 2007, this strange creature was found on a farm in Mexico. The farmer drowned it out of fear. Even serious scientists are wondering if this creature comes from another planet.
All right, we have an extraordinary story out of Denver. Let's meet our panelists. Stan Romanek is the man who claims to have shot footage of an extraterrestrial.
The following clips cannot be verified. Space agencies hide evidence or refuse to comment on the subject. The following clips are verified.
797 here, you want 98? Last clear. 7, go ahead. I'll tell you at 10 o'clock high. This is Houston. Say again, 7? We have a report here at 9 o'clock time.
An object which is in the same place all the time and appears to be tumbling. Well, we've had it ever since yesterday. It just seems to be tagging along with us.
October 21st, 1995.
We have an unidentified flying object.
Well, let's see, we've had visitors again. Yeah. Are they worth mentioning? Agree.
The reason I state that, when I got out in 1989, we had cataloged 57 different species. You have individuals that look very much like you and myself that could walk among us and you wouldn't even notice the difference, except for some of the things that they might be able to go ahead, even in a dark room, and touch an object and go ahead and identify what color that object might be. They would have a heightened sense of smell, sight, hearing. The situation is that you have various types of what we normally call grays. We didn't call them grays in the military, but you had at least 3 types of the grays. You had some that were much taller than we were. The unique thing that I'd like to point out for the most part is that the entities that we did catalog were in fact humanoid. Now this created a situation where the scientific community was trying to figure out why that would be the case, because you would expect that if life evolved on other planets, that they would take on some type of other being, so to speak, not necessarily look humanoid or be bipedal such as we are. But apparently we got quite a few of the species out there that are humanoid in appearance, and that creates a question that yet has to be answered by science.
The way that human beings and apes walk is completely different. Human beings stand upright on 2 legs. This is a unique form of locomotion not found in any other life form. These are the 4 most important secrets about human evolution. Why do human beings walk on 2 legs? Why have they lost most of their body hair? Why did they develop such large brains? And why did they learn how to run? 4 of the most outstanding mysteries about humans are: we do not yet know, we do not yet know, we do not yet know, we do not.
Session ending. Part 3 assimilating.